everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, hey there, this is Shampa Bagchi. Welcome to my channel. So, cauliflower is in season now and I have come up with a recipe of potato and cauliflower. But do you know this little fellow is heavily sprayed with pesticides? Have a look. Yes, so it is crucial that we process it well before cooking, and I am going to show you how. Cauliflower florets, and I have also taken the stem and split it into two pieces. Now I am going to wash it under tap water, but I am not going to wash it under running tap water. We need to save water, so I am going to wash it in a bowl, rinse it well. Rinse it very well. Cauliflower also has small insects, green color insects in that. Hopefully these doesn't have much. I'm going to wash it very properly and drain the water. And then repeat the process. Now we are going to fill in the bowl again, and at this time we are going to keep the cauliflower florets dipped in the bowl for minimum 30 minutes. Keep it aside for minimum 30 minutes. Now take water in a pan, pour in 1 tablespoon of salt and let it boil. Once the water starts boiling, pour in the washed and dipped cauliflower right into it. We are not going to keep the cauliflower for longer into the boiling water because then the pesticides can find their way back in. Stir everything properly for not more than about a minute. So almost after a minute, drain the water out and collect the cauliflower in a bowl and keep it aside. We are going to use it later in the recipe. We will also need 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes dipped into the water to remove the extra starch. I have not removed the potato skin for some extra fiber. You may remove if you prefer so. That's our processed cauliflower and drained potatoes. We will also need 2 medium-sized tomatoes and 2 medium-sized onions and 5 to 6 garlic, all cut into fine pieces. Now heat a pan, pour in 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, add half a tablespoon of mustard seeds and half a tablespoon of cumin seed. Once they start crackling, we are going to add in the onions. Stir properly. Keep stirring. At this point, the flames should be high. Keep stirring. Now we are going to add in the potatoes. Give it a good stir. Now we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Then we are going to add in our chopped garlic. Then again give it a good mix. Now we are going to add in half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Keep stirring. At last we are going to add the tomatoes. I'm adding in tomatoes later at this stage because I wanted to get rid of the raw smell of the potato. Mix it well. Now cover the lid. Slow cook it, and after 5 minutes we are going to add in the cauliflower. Give it a good mix. Keep stirring. Now I'm going to add the cumin powder. Give it a good mix. We are slow cooking the cauliflower to retain its benefits, nice and slow. Cover the lid and cooking again. Now I'm going to check if the cauliflower is cooked. It looks hard. So I am going to cover the lid again and slow cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks. Keep stirring. I have kept the flame high at this point and it's cooked. Serve it in a bowl. Enjoy your healthy and delicious cauliflower and potato fry. Yay! I have served it with rice and dal. You can also have it with chapati.
So, cauliflower is loaded with vitamin C and vitamin B6. When we slow cook it, we retain its maximum benefit. Do try this recipe in your home and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Please subscribe and like the channel. Share it with your friends if you like the contents. Stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, practice your precautions. Let's make